Hey Grey Bruce, Owen Sound, Mike Seeler here, broker with Century 21 in Studio Realty. Today it's my privilege as the premier sponsor of the Grey Bruce Makers to be giving away $6,000 worth of memberships. Now I know what you're saying. I just said it to myself a few days ago, Mike, what is the Grey Bruce Makers? Well, before I tell you how you can win the $6,000 worth of memberships, I'm gonna take you on a tour. Let's go. Grey Bruce Makers is 8,000 square feet of a playground for the creative genius in you. Laser engravers, oh yeah. 3D printers. Look at this fun stuff that's being created here. We even got a former. Now I know what you're saying. You're not a 3D printer. You're not a laser engraver. Let me guess. You're a woodworker. Check it out with all the saws, all the ventilation. You got the air hoses. You got routers. You got table saws. Oh, but Mike, where's the lathe? Where are the planers? Oh, but Mike, it can't be that good. Do they have a router? Oh, well, yes, they do. I know what you're saying. You're saying, Mike, wood's not my thing. Let me guess. Let me tell you. You're a metal guy. Welcome to the metal shop. You got welders. You've got plasma cutters. You got drill presses. You know what this is? Yeah, it's a sandblaster, all right. You got some kind of brakes here. Oh, this is like a CNC lathe. I hear it's a lot of money. Oh, we got another router here. We got a brake. Check this out. What is this thing? This is expensive. And today, class, we are going to be learning about all the fundamentals of woodworking, CNC. That's right. They even teach courses here, teaching you how to use everything in the facility. It is so great. We got another room I got to show you though. Look at this, they got their own photography studio. They got this large format printer here. Oh yeah, what can you print with it, you wonder? Well, check this out. I believe they call this the messy room. You like to paint? This is the place for you. And now we get to the fun part, ladies and gentlemen. How are you going to win a full year, full access membership here? A $1,000 value. We're giving away 6 of these. To enter, you need to click on the link in the description. We'll see you later.